Morning guys, welcome to Trade Confident. We're gonna go over EOS today. It's been a highly requested video, so I wanna make sure I give you guys an update on this. All right, real quick guys, give you guys an update. We just won 2 more trades yesterday. We went 96 for 96, and that was a 10.28% profit on AVAX. That trade is not done, by the way. We could see a lot more profit from that one. And then we also ended up going 97 for 97 on Matic, which is a trade that I was personally in, and we did 10.21% so far, and we have our 50% stop loss locked in here, and we're going to ride that up as well. In the second half of this video, guys, I'll show you exactly how to get over here so you can trade with us, and so you guys can take advantage of these wins that we're having here. Even in a bear market, we have still consistently won trades in here. We've never lost a crypto trade, okay? Watch this. We're going to go over EOS right now. Here's what we're seeing, and it's actually bullish. And guys, short trades have completely dropped out on the blockchain for EOS. Short trades. This is very bullish for us in EOS because if short trades were to increase in the market, which I'll show you guys over here, if short trades were to increase, this would actually be putting pressure on the ascending price of EOS, looking for a move back down because they have moved out of the way, guys. We might be good to go for a blast off move here. So let's take a look into the analysis. All right, moving down here. Let's go to the top to the bottom here. Let's go trend dashboard, price or swap money flow, trend exhaustion. Okay, looking at the trend dashboard here, we can see what retail traders are looking at here. Majority of retail trader indicators here are bullish. Now, if you guys know what I normally say about this, when these are all green, we're looking to sell our long trades. Okay, here is a caveat to that. Look at the structure of where we're sitting. This right now is in what's called a symmetrical triangle pattern. This has broken out to the upside. Okay, we have a very nice descending resistance here with a touch here, touch here, and then we got the touch here, obviously, that we broke above. And then we have the touch here, and we have a touch down here, and then we're looking at this touch. These are all descending levels and ascending levels, giving us a symmetrical triangle pattern, okay? Now that we've officially broke above this, we are visually seeing this become bullish, okay? That is a bullish sign for a lot of people who have this trend line drawn in here, all right? But let's take a look real quick at the price for swell money flow and the trend exhaustion. You guys can get these in the description. I just want to make this real quick. The Christmas sale is going on with the indicators. You guys will never be able to get them lower than this again, so I would definitely snag them now, okay? Looking at the trend exhaustion, we came from this place where we pushed in this top red section as well as the well money flow is high, okay? This in here shows us that we're pushing in the top section up here, and we could be seeing a move back down. So that is something I'm definitely watching, okay? But here's the other side of this. Although we see this moving down in the market, and I do believe these are some of the best, I believe these are the best precursors of what's going to happen in the market. These are what's called leading indicators. What could happen here is that a lot of people may be looking to sell this because we're on this descending resistance here moving down. But I'll show you guys today how short trades have been moving out, which what can happen here, because we've been dropping so faster, we may actually move down, a little bit further, that's fine, and then see a really nice rebound here once we start seeing this push down to the lower section and start moving back up. That can happen within this area of going down a little bit and then a fly back up here on EOS, and this could be an incredible amount here. Like, we're talking really nice percentages because EOS is so ridiculously low in price right now. Even if we get to the structure high up here, that's going to be about 19%. That's a great 19% trade. Up here, we're looking at 27%. So we could be seeing EOS take off. Watch this right now. I want to show this to you guys for the blockchain metrics. So looking at this for EOS, at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, we're seeing that this can be, everything will update on our website, buy limits and everything. The emotional index today is sitting in the anxious section. That's what the blue line is, and the price is actually in white here. You guys can even spot it right here. See that? It looks like a sideways Christmas tree. That's pretty much what we're watching in here. This is like, it's like literally, if you guys put a star up here, we can see a sideways Christmas tree. Maybe it's a new pattern. This is a very important pattern to be watching because what you have is you have the accumulation of long trades and short trades coming into one pressure point. Okay, if this breaks down, everybody who's looking for long trades most likely has their support down here, which is usually where their stop loss is going to be on a long trade. So if this breaks support and stop losses are hit, liquidity of sells into the market, and then this could easily drop down here to a structure low point, on the chart here, probably about 281. If we break down below 281, we're definitely probably going to be targeting about 233. So I'm not saying this is just all bullish just to be bullish. There is a possibility we could head back down. But here's the metric I want you guys to be watching. Look at what happened here on long versus short trades on EOS. This is ridiculous. Short trades absolutely moved out of the market here, and we are seeing long trades stay the same. Extremely bullish. This tells me that everybody who's going short, like all these people going short, are saying, oh my gosh, we got to get out of the way. Like this thing, we don't think this is going to go down any further. And it's interesting they did this. Like look what happened over here. We saw short trades move out of the market right here. And this was actually within an area where, we were actually going down. This is where we saw that one more dip, short trades moved out, and then we saw a huge pump back up. So could this actually be the precursor or maybe the prophecy of what's going to happen next? Maybe a fast move back up. Okay, look at over here. We saw this move down in the market. You're like, well, what's going on here? Short trades ended up dropping out. Well, why wouldn't short trades actually increase if we're moving down? Maybe they know something's coming. Well, that's what happened here. Now what are we seeing? Price action moving down, short trades moving out of the market. What could be happening next? A nice move back up. That's why this is looking very bullish. Do you guys understand what I just showed you there? Maybe like rewind that part of the video. We are having price action move down and short trades move down. That's usually not what happens. Usually, people are looking for the market to move up and short trades are increasing. That did not happen on those last few pumps, okay? We could be in for a nice little pump here. Long versus short trade risk. The risk is basically sitting in the neutral section right here. Why? Because we're not shooting up to really high highs, not really low lows. People aren't super greedy. We're not up here. People aren't really fearful because we're down here. People have been able to accept that we are at this level. I mean, it's hard to accept that we're this low, but they've been able to at least accept that we're at this level. And emotionally, emotionally up here, we're still sitting in the anxious section. But as far as the favor on what side to trade right now, I think we're still sitting neutral because we're still at this tip of this indecision point. Could we fly up? Yeah. Could we shoot back down? Yes, we could. But you must assess all the signs right now. And I would say, since we are neutral, there's always going to be one side it favors more. And I do think right now from the blockchain metrics, blockchain meaning what's happening on the blockchain for transactions, long and short trades, we are seeing short trades decrease, which is a bullish sign. Okay, look at this over here. Well, institutional smart money, they've been ping-ponging back and forth here between long and short trades. And just recently we saw this move up to long trades because we saw it move back down. This could be what we need. Smart money going long here a little bit. We see shorts dropping out as well as we see a break of the descending resistance. This could get very bullish very fast, guys. Resistance that I'm looking at, 350, psychological quarters theory level of 350. Where's the support? Down here at $3. So $3, we're going to look at it on the chart. That's where we're looking at right here. A break below this ascending support line would be $3, maybe a bounce. 350 is up right around this level where you guys see this resistance. So I don't think it's impossible for us to head up here. Maybe by the end of today, maybe by the end of Friday, we could move up here. If not from there, we could actually be seeing a nice pump up here. The next resistance that I want to show you guys right here is about $4. I would say $4 is the strongest resistance. Correlates to this structure here. These structures there, around this structure there, around that structure there, around here. It's just this accumulation of all these resistances up here is right around the $4 mark. You guys can see it's right around that second buy limit there. It's smack dab in the middle of all these and a little bit lower, okay? That is where I'm targeting is $4. If we can hit $4 here within the next, say, 2 weeks around there, I don't think that's an unrealistic prediction. We're going to be looking at about 22% profit we could see in our in EOS. As far as this trade goes, let me give you guys a target on that. We're going to be looking at about 14, maybe let's call, I'm sorry guys, about 10%, about 10% here at $4, okay? 10% for most of you guys is a lot of money because a lot of us have really dumped some serious money into EOS here. You guys can see it's 24% of my holdings, about $23,000 here in EOS. It is my number one holding. I do think this has incredible potential. Okay, let's keep moving down here and I'll show you guys how to get into our next trade setups. This is an incredible sign here, guys. We ended up seeing the dollar cost average entries here come out and show us if you've got, $10,000, you want to throw $1,000 into the market every single time, great place to look for an entry and then a move back up, okay? Make sure we're watching this because we could start seeing a pump here. Very good entries for the moves down so you guys can acquire at lower positions and then holding for 5-10 years as long as you guys want to hold up into the another crypto bubble, I guess you can call it, before it pops and moves back down. Okay, the exit points in here, what I'm watching for is when we start moving back up in EOS, and EOS will start moving up. Guys, I don't think EOS is just going to go away. If you do, you might want to just take out all your money right now. But I do think EOS has the potential to see another pump move back up. The nice thing about EOS, let's just look at this really quickly here, guys. Let's go to the daily time frame just to look at price structure. It is extremely volatile. When it gets down to these areas, we are seeing pumps. I'll do this for you guys probably for the next video. I'll assess the previous pumps of how far high we've gone up when we've been here last time. Like these are nice jumps in the market. I'll just give you guys, let's just pull a fun one. I'm not going to do like the biggest one because everyone likes to pull that. Let's just pull something reasonable. From here to this structure right here, this is 72%. 72% on this little structure there. What about this bump here? 151. What about this level over here? 137. What if we actually go up 282%? 92%. That wouldn't even be halfway up the high up here, which is all the way at the top if we pull this, at 927%. Okay, the peak that a lot of people are looking to target if this really takes off is about 560%. There's not a single altcoin in the top 10, the top 20 that I believe can go 560% with proof. And it doesn't hit the all-time high. This is why this coin is so ridiculously undervalued, and more people on YouTube are starting to pick it up. I think, I'm trying to spearhead this a little bit on YouTube here by showing you guys like I'm heavily invested here with my own money, and I'm seeing other people like I think Journey Crypto is starting to pick up on it now. We could see some nice money flood into the market for EOS, so I wouldn't take EOS off your radar, okay? Here's how you guys get into our trading over here, and here's how we've won all of our trades. So this is this part of the video is for all of you guys who are new. I'll show you exactly how to take all of our trades with me. It's very simple. This is the cheapest membership I think you guys will ever have in your life for trading crypto with this win rate. It's just $49 a month. I am going to be upping the price of this, okay? So because we're growing so fast over here, I'm hiring on more employees. I'm literally like training employees right now, like every single day that we do these videos, okay? And they're helping us over email. You guys say hi to Jake and Josh. They're absolutely the best employees in the world, okay? We're all over here. We're trying to help you guys answer questions and such like that. And I'm doing obviously all the trading over here. This is going to be going up. We're looking to pay for more expenses to hire on more employees because we're exploding so fast. What I can tell you guys though, those of you guys who come over here, let me take that off. My personal email. Don't email that account. I won't respond. It's just my personal one. If you guys click this, you guys will actually click and you'll be able to subscribe. That's what happened there. So you guys are going to be able to get it at $49 a month. You guys have my word. When this goes up in price, I will give you guys grandfathered access into this whole thing. So you guys will stay at $49. Even if this goes up to 100, 200, doesn't matter what it goes to, you guys will be grandfathered in. Okay. Here's what this membership gives you access to, which is so important. All of our 97 wins that we have taken over here, they have all come from this one single page, the live trade setups. And obviously today we're talking about, we talked about Cardano this morning in the first video I came out with, and now we're talking about EOS down here. So EOS is right here. Click into these trades here, like literally click this title, and you guys are going to see a chart that looks exactly like this. We're going to use Bitcoin for an example so I can keep it private for our members. Here's what you guys do to trade our strategy. It's very simple, but you guys need to be using these buy limits. This is how we're winning these trades. You're going to take the trade, any trade that you want to trade, and you're going to take the trade allocation. Let's say you guys have $1,000 you want to trade with EOS or Bitcoin, whatever. You guys pick the amount. Split that amount into 4 equal portions for $250 each. Place $250 here, $250 here, $250 here, $250 here, okay? $250 at each of the buy limits, all right? Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to set your sell limit up here for 100% exit. It spells it out all down here, okay? Set up the sell limit shown in green in your exchange for 100% exit. That's all you guys do. Set up your buy limits, wait for the first one to get hit. If you guys have any questions, watch this video down here. It literally explains everything. Also shows you guys how to set up buy limits, sell limits, stop losses, and market orders in Coinbase, where I'm trading over here. So if you guys have questions about that, like literally watch this video. It'll be super helpful for you guys. All right. Once you do that, sorry, I need to drink a little bit of water here. Getting a little dry. All right. Once you guys set all the buy limits up, the next step you guys want to do is join me in the Telegram channel, okay? This is actually where I'm calling all of the exits with our indicators, and we do have a Christmas sale going on. I'll shout out to you guys here. Just give me like 30 seconds. Sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then click this link right here, and that will give you guys immediate access over here to join all of our followers who are taking our trades and they're exiting with me, okay? I'm taking all these Matic trades, by the way. Like, it's been super fun. We've grown our account about $600 in the last 2 weeks just from consistently buying these dips and staying consistent with the strategy over here. I know a lot of people are down right now in the market, but if you guys are able to put more money in, you guys are able to diversify into more of these coins, we are doing very well. And Matic, by the way, is still up here, and it is, move the stop loss up. AVAX, here's another coin. We're up 10.28%, and I'm going to be moving the stop loss up for all of us here. Guys, we are doing very well over here, getting into the market. Even in a bear market, some of these coins are going to start pumping up here. We already took over a 10% profit on AVX already, so this is the second trade we're in, but just want to show that to you guys. Okay, the indicators you guys want to be getting over here are the trend exhaustion, price per swell money flow, and the trend dashboard. Here's the reason why. I use these indicators in the charts over here to give you guys exactly what I'm looking at. So when you guys see me over here say the trend exhaustion is high, I want to lock in some profits, you guys are seeing me assess the chart of where we're at and giving you guys examples of why am I using these two indicators and what am I looking for. Once you guys understand that, that gives you the power to exit trades for those buy limits that you may be in right now for some of these coins that you're not specifically in with me. Like, let me give you an example. Like, obviously my break-even entry on EOS is at 362, but I know some people got in at lower prices based off what you guys have been emailing, what you guys have been saying. So once you guys see the trend exhaustion push to the top section up here, literally the trend is exhausting. That's why I call it the trend exhaustion. Like, the price cannot go any further. These are trends. You guys understand these are like trends in the markets. A low, a high, a higher low, higher high. These are trends. The trend actually reverses and starts going back down when we hit these top sections in here. Okay, that's why it's called the trend exhaustion and price versus money flow in here, because we're actually looking at the flow of money relative to price. So when you guys see that a trend is exhausted, that should probably be a place to look to maybe take some profits. So that's what I'm telling you guys. If you guys are in the profit here and this starts screaming up here again and starts moving up really high and the trend exhaustion moves back up here for those of you guys who are in trades lower, and let's say we don't even get to our break-even entry, or simply I just haven't called an exit yet because we're in profit that much, that's what you guys can use these for. You can say, okay, I know what Travis taught us. When this is in the top red section and the price as well money flows high, we're looking for drops back down. That's what happens almost every single time. We're seeing massive drops. So I'm going to secure some profit. That's what you guys can do with these and start trading on your own. And if you guys have questions, email me, but I'm giving you guys the power to trade on your own here and be successful. That's what I want to give to you guys. Okay, the indicators right now are 84% off. They are not going to be lower than this again. This is the lowest you guys will ever be able to get them. Seriously, there's not a discount in the future that I'm going to give you guys that's going to be lower, because this is like we're borderline like giving it away. The value here is insane. You guys can go ahead and get the price versus money flow, the trend exhaustion, and the trend dashboard here, these three, for about 58 to 60% off. Go ahead and click these links and use coupon code SAVEMONEY. That's great, fantastic. You guys are going to get an extra 24 to 25, actually close to 26%, because this is actually about 58% off right now, about 25 to 26% more off what you're going to pay individually. So if you guys are going to pay individually, you might as well save yourself another 25%. Just get the bundle pack. These three, you guys obviously get in the bundle pack, but you get 6 more indicators on top of these 3, giving you guys a total of 9 in the bundle pack, okay? All you got to do here is click this link and make sure at discount, make sure on checkout, you guys use the coupon code Christmas. This is so easy, guys. This isn't complicated. It's some weird capitalized, lowercase letters. It is just Christmas. Everybody watching this video, there you go. Use coupon code Christmas. Once you guys click this, and you guys will get 84% off. I'm going to up the price of this $50 at the end of the month from the discounted price with the coupon code. So this is going to go up, and I'm also going to be upping the individual prices here for the price versus money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion in the months to come. So this is my last thing, and I'm going to end this, guys, because I don't want to keep going on about this. If you guys, if you are out there and you have purchased any of these 3 indicators by themselves and you want to take advantage of the sale up here where we have the discount, I'm okay with that. Email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com and say, look, I purchased the price versus money flow for a one-time purchase. Can I pay the difference to just get your new discounted bundle pack? And I'll say, absolutely. And we'll send you guys a PayPal invoice and you guys can pay over there. And we'll actually over email, I'll send you the source codes to the indicators so you guys can get them over email. We do this literally all the time. Like every day we do at least to like 2 or 3 people. The reason for that is we don't want to just come out here and be like, oh no, you have to pay the bundle pack price. Like that would be a ripoff and that'd be absolutely ridiculous. You guys who have purchased these individual indicators, let me know. I'll give you guys the difference. It's probably only like $50 and you'll be able to get all other 6 indicators on top of what you purchased already, okay? I want to honor that for you guys. Okay, getting back over here, let's end this. EOS, guys, the point of this video, this can get very bullish. Short trades are moving out of the market. Watch to see if this thing starts moving up. Make sure you guys have, the indicators set up before those go up in price. The trend exhaustion, price as well, money flow, trend dashboard, the bundle pack. Set that up today. Make sure you guys are also getting into the membership over here because we're going into 2022, guys, and I'm not going to stop trading over here, okay? We have really good things coming. The account is still growing, so make sure you guys have the membership, get your buy limit set up, and then make sure you guys are clicking down here in the Telegram channel where you guys are getting me. And here's the thing. If you're waiting and you're pending to get into trades, watch the Telegram updates I'm doing so you guys can see what I'm looking at, and this will give you guys like literally free education and also have me as a coach to exit the markets here. And we literally have never lost a crypto trade ever. We are pretty sure we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and I'm trying to prove this to you guys. You guys are like, well, is that really true? Come over here and start trading with us and you'll see. That's the best way to say, like, yeah, you can come over here and you can look at all the party hats of every single trade that we've won in the markets here. You guys can click on every single one. You guys can actually go back and see what the price structure actually did. You can see the exits. You can see where the price actually on the current date, you can see where it moved down, where the stop losses are. And guys, I don't even mind coming out here and showing you guys my entire portfolio because I'm taking these with you. And all these orders are ridiculous. Like, these are all the filled orders in here that I've done this year. I am so active in crypto right now that it's just like, I know this thing's working. So like, go ahead, screenshot this. Look at everything that I'm taking. I promise you guys, we have never, ever lost a trade here trading crypto. And I know you guys who are OGs can definitely vouch for that. All right, guys, get the indicators before those go up in price. Get the membership, set up the buy limits. Come over here and join us. We're going to try to go 100 for 100 trades by the end of the year. And the goal is going to be 200 for 200 wins in the year of 2022. God bless you guys. I'll see you later. Everything you guys need is in the description. Bye, guys.